Hello, everyone. My name is Paul Ratliff, and you're watching Paul's Railroad. All right, folks. On today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, or should I say an unbagging? There's a box in here, so bagging, unboxing. We're going to open this thing up and see what I bought, okay? Let's get to it. All right. What did I get? It came from that wonderful, magical place called Amazon. I think Amazon's going to be the death of so many of us. At least if our wives keep finding out what we're buying, right? Ooh, what's in here? I know what's in here. You ready? You ready for this? Boom! Isn't that awesome? You thought it was going to be a train. Guess I kind of snookered you a little bit. What I bought was a hot wire foam cutter. Let us see what all came in this box here. We've got directions, which nobody reads. And here is the reason why I decided to buy this wire cutting set and why I decided to do an unboxing. Now, everybody has seen these being used by other railroad modelers for cutting foam, of course. And most people have your standard, I don't know what this is called, but this big wide section here. And you usually have your other long little piece in there to get in there to, cut away corners, edges, whatever. Whatever you're using for is what you're using for. I, however, saw this piece. And this is the only kit that came with this curved piece like this. You know what I thought? I thought that would be absolutely perfect for carving out like gutters or spillways or little washouts next to your track. Instead of having to try to bend one of these things around or take a knife and cut it at an angle and try to carve it, just one swoop is what I think this is going to work for. So let me get this all put to the side. Let me get some foam. And let's test my theory and see if this will work the way I'm hoping that it does work. And if it does, I mean, can you imagine? Not only are we going to be able to cut out little culverts and gullies, but now when you start cutting out ponds or anything like that, you can start by going around the edges with this tool as deep as you want. Then you come back with this one and just scoop it out, right? So again, let me get this hooked up, checked out. I'll be right back. Okay, I have two pieces here. I have our cheap styrofoam that everybody hates. And I have our good styrofoam that nobody can afford to buy anymore. So let's give this a little try here. I've not tried this yet. It's been plugged in for just a few moments. And even came with a handy little marker. So I'm just going to mark out where my rail runs here on both sides. And do that with this chunk as well. Love that sound. Not really. Okay. Now, as with any new tool, I'm sure there is going to be a bit of a learning curve. So again, I just opened the box. I just plugged it in. So this is going to be my first attempt of doing like a small culvert. So let's see how it manages with our regular cheap old foam here. Oops, you know what? I guess I should have turned it on, huh? It was like that. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. All right, take two. Now I know it's on. Okay, let's give this a try here. Like I said, first attempt, see what we can do with this, right? Wow. The words like butter come to mind. That's a little too deep. Let's try this other side here. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Well, it cuts through this stuff pretty easily, that's for sure. Let's try our denser foam here. Okay. This one doesn't cut quite as fast, which I actually like. It gives me a little more control. Doesn't seem like I have to rush through it quite as fast as that polystyrene. It's a nice smooth cut, that's for sure. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look how nice that is. Well, apparently with this extruded foam, you need to just take your time. Nice and nice even pressure, but not too fast. Seems to come out pretty good. Okay, I have a junky old towel here. I'm gonna wipe this off real quick, so it's not sitting there smoldering. All right. Let's see here. What do you guys think, huh? I think that's a pretty quick start. You can see coming out, maybe cutting this landmass down a little bit more on the side here if you're actually building an actual, on your layout. I think that little hooky tool, we're going to call it a little hooky tool here, I think that is going to be invaluable to making culverts, to making rivers, to making ponds. I think it's going to make the job a whole heck of a lot easier, So, anyhow, that's my unboxing for this tool. It is called the Kohri Hot Wire Foam Cutter. Actually, right there is all the information. I will have a link to this item in the description. As always, if you guys go and buy off Amazon, you go through one of my links, I get a little bit of kickback from Amazon. Again, does not cost you guys anything extra. That does help my channel out, helps me to be able to buy these kind of tools and to buy new trains and to buy my wife something to keep her happy so I can buy more trains. Anyhow, guys, thanks for spending your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell icon and give me a thumbs up if you will. Helps YouTube push my videos to the top of the list so more people can see it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you shortly with a new actual 3D build project we're going to be working on here very soon. Have a good one.